Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Meeting at a cafe. Hi, David. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine. I was just thinking about my future.
Oh. What were you thinking?
About money. How much do you want to earn every month?
I want to earn a lot. Maybe $10,000 per month.
Wow. That's a big amount. Why do you want to earn that much?
I have big dreams. I want a nice house, a car, and I want to travel.
That's great. But how will you earn that much money?
I want to start my own business.
A business? What kind of business?
Maybe an online shop. People buy things online now.
That's true. I like online shopping too.
Yes. It's easy and fast. That's why I want to start my business online.
That sounds interesting. But I think $3,000 per month is enough for me.
Why? Don't you want more?
I just want a simple life, a small house, good food, and time to relax.
That's a good idea too, but don't you want to travel?
Yes, but I can save money for that.
That's smart. Maybe I should also save more.
Talking about jobs. So, what job do you want in the future?
I want to be a businessman. What about you?
I want to be a teacher.
A teacher, that's nice.
Yes, I love teaching kids.
But do teachers earn a lot of money?
Maybe not, but I will be happy.
That's important. Happiness is more important than money.
Yes, what about your family? Do they support your business idea?
Yes, they think business is a good idea.
That's great. My parents want me to be a teacher.
Then you should follow your dream.
Yes, I will. Planning for the future.
So, what's your plan after college?
I want to find a teaching job and save money.
That's a good plan.
And you?
I will start my business and work hard.
I hope you will be successful.
Thanks. I hope you will be a great teacher.
Thank you. Let's work hard for our dreams.
Yes, let's do it.